located in Skyline, Alabama.
Yeah, this is the spot.
Lot 6 wide open, cleared and level, build it your way. Big yard dreams, garden or space, make it your own, your perfect place.
Skyline living where life feels right. Quiet days and those starry nights. Build when you want, no rush, no line. This piece of land,
It's your time to shine. It's your time to shine. Top-ranked schools just down the road. Small town, heart with room to grow. Lake days, boat rides, country air.
city lights close, but peace lives here.
Bring your builders,
Start your plan.
this is more than land. It's where life begins.